So hello students, today we start our 12th chapter, that is waste disposals. Okay, first of all, what is a waste? Waste are the unwanted things that are present in our house and that are in not in use. Okay, so second thing is disposal. Disposal means the how we can dispose of, or how we can throw the waste material so that it cannot harm to the environment. Okay, so in this chapter we learn about the wastes that are present in our surroundings. Second is how we can manage the waste that is present in our surroundings. Third one is how to manage household waste. Okay, so these are the things that we have learned in this chapter. And now in our daily life, waste substances get accumulated due to human activities. Means waste substances are present due to the human activities, and if they cannot disposed of properly into the environment, so it can create many types of pollution. For example, air pollution as well as soil pollution, water pollution, if we can throwing that waste into the water. So these are the things that is present. Now we have to discuss this picture. Observe what Madhuri is doing in the picture given below. So Madhuri is eating something. So what things that is Madhuri eating? That is a chocolate. First is, why does the chocolate have a wrapper? Means you have seen that all the eatable things that we can buy from a city or from a malls, they are wrapped with the plastic material. Okay, so why that material is wrapped with the plastic papers or wrappers? Because it prevent from the action of bacteria, insects on the eating things. Next one is, what do you think she would do to the wrapper after she eaten her chocolate? So she can throw the wrapper into the dustbin after eating the chocolate. Third one is the wrapper useful any longer? Yes or no? If no, the wrapper is not in any use, but we can recycle it by disposing it into a proper way. So now we start our chapter. So firstly, what is the definition of waste? Anything that is no longer useful or required after its utility. Means the things that are not in use for a long period of time, that is known as a waste. Okay, so we can eliminate or destroy the waste in a proper way to reduce the pollution. Okay, next one is wastes that are present in our surroundings. So there are lot of types waste materials that are present. Okay, for example, food wrappers, packing, food waste, old clothes, furniture, cans, bottles and utensils that we can throw in our daily life easily. Okay, but we have to dispose these waste materials in a proper way. If we cannot dispose these materials in a proper way, so it can harm our environment. Okay, next one is, so how these waste materials where, so we can think that where these materials are going. Okay, so these waste materials are managed with the help of a waste management. Okay, so it carries the wastage into the factories. Next one is waste management. So wastes in various towns and cities are accumulated in the garbage bins that are available on the roadside. Means, first of all, we can throw the waste materials into the dustbins that are not in use. Okay, then the roadside and the garbage collectors collect these waste materials from our houses. Okay, from our houses on his cart. After that garbage collector give that garbage to the garbage truck. Okay, and that garbage truck after that going to a factory. When a garbage truck going to a factory, after that they can separate the waste into two types. First is that are disposed in soil and the second is that are not disposed in the soil. Means कुछ materials को हम soil के अंदर disposed कर सकते हैं लेकिन कुछ को soil के अंदर नहीं dispose कर सकते. ठीक है. For example, kitchen waste, vegetable waste, so these all are the disposed materials and it can disposed into the soil easily. But the plastic bottles, okay, cans हो गए, metal cans, so these are not the materials that are composed into the soil, okay, but they can reuse by providing a raw materials to the new products. Okay. Next one is these are the 3 R's that use to reduce the waste material. First is reuse, means we have to reduce the amount of waste materials carefully by considering some of the things reuse again and again. For example, we can reuse a plastic container as a flower pot, back side of the envelopes for for writing notes, okay, and for a rough paper. Next one is empty ice cubes can be reused to keep nails, screws, etc. Next one is reduce. How we can reduce the amount of waste? So we can reduce the amount of waste by consuming more things but throwing less things. Means जो भी हमारे पास ऑब्जेक्ट होगा अगर वो ख़राब हो गया तो उसे हमें थ्रो नहीं करना चाहिए, उसे हमें रिपेयर करवाना चाहिए. ठीक है. सो बाय दिस वे वी कैन reduce the waste materials. If you have not to use that material, then you can give that materials to the poor people so they can use in a proper way. Next one is recycle. Recycle refers to the process of separating items through as waste and using them a raw material to manufacture new things. Means some things like paper products, plastic bags, plastic bottles, these gives a raw material to the new product, okay, so that it can use it to make a new products. So you have seen a sign of 3 arrows on a material. So the sign of 3 arrows that are present on that material means these materials are used by recycling the other objects. Next is composting. What is a composting? For making a composting, we have to use a wasted food, throwing away fruit peels, vegetable peels, eggshells, tea leaves, coffee guards, grass cutting and even weeds. Means these are the things that are used to compost them. After decomposing, these wastes become manure called human. Manure means खाद. ठीक है. खाद में बन जाते हैं और we can use that manure into the fields to increase the fertility of soil, and it also helps to increase the productivity and quality of a soil. Because a manure is a organic substance, there is a no presence of any chemical substance which can reduce, because chemical substances can reduce the fertility of soil, but organic substance not reduce it increase the fertility of soil. Next one is time, please. A, give 2 examples for each of the following. First is waste generated at homes. So the waste generated at homes like plastic bottles and the kitchen waste also. Things that we can reuse again and again. Plastic containers, okay. Plastic containers, envelopes also, newspapers. These are the reusable waste. Things that can be composed means that can easily decomposed into the soil. So the vegetable peels, fruit peels, tea leaves, these all. Fourth one is things that can be recycled. So the recycled plastic bottles, okay, and the bags, carry bags that is made up of paper. Next one is give 1 word for the following. First is things that lose their utility after some time. The answer is waste. Process in which waste can be used as a raw material to make new things. So we can use a raw materials to make new things in recycling. Third one is process by which organic waste can be decomposed to form manure. So we can use, answer is composting. Next are the few points that how to manage household waste, means how we can reduce the household waste. First of all, we have to only buy the things that are in your need. Okay, means you have to pay attention to the amount of packing on things being brought एंड इफ़ दे आर रिसाइकल, मीन्स हम जब कोई भी थिंग बाय करते हैं, ठीक है, किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट को, तो उसके ऊपर क्या है, उसे रैप करके देते हैं, ठीक है, मीन्स आपको उस रैपिंग का ध्यान रखना है भी, जिसमें वो रैप कम किया हो आपको वही ऑब्जेक्ट लेना है, ठीक है, ताकि उसमें से जो वेस्ट मटेरियल है वो कम निकलेगा. सेकेंड इज अवॉइड कैरी बैग्स एट एवरी शॉप, मीन्स आप अपने घर से कैरी बैग लेके जाओ, ठीक है, और वहाँ से जो आपको वैसे भी कौन से कैरी बैग्स मिलते हैं, प्लास्टिक कैरी बैग्स दैट आर हार्मफुल फॉर द एनवायरनमेंट एंड इट कैन नॉट डिस्पोज्ड ऑफ ईजिली. ओके, third one is also we have to reuse cloth bags, jute bags for going to use while going to a shopping. Fourth one is recycle things whenever possible to reduce. Fifth is instead of throwing away broken items, try getting them repair. अगर आपका कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट खराब हो जाता है तो उसे थ्रो करने की बजाय उसे रिपेयर करना, रिपेयर को फर्स्ट ओपिनियन दो, ठीक है. Sixth is we should try to sell, give away or donate items that we don't want. Means the things that we are not using, so we can sell it. Okay, we can give it to the poor peoples by helping them so that they can use it. Seventh is we have to reuse plastic bottles and containers. Okay, jam bottles can easily used for storage in the kitchen. Eighth is reuse paper by printing on both sides. We can reuse envelope by sticking paper over the address. 10th is use back of old calendars and letters as rough sheets. Now we discuss about the filling the blanks. First is dash disposal of waste can be harmful to the environment. So improper disposal of waste harmful to the environment. Second is dash refer to the process of separating items through as waste. So recycling is the answer. Third one is dash can be easily composted. Paper can easily composted. Fourth, dash waste become manure called humus. So the organic waste is used for making a humus. Fifth one is we can reduce the quality of waste by consuming more and throwing less. Next one is take the correct option. First, which of these should you carry while going to shopping? So all these bags we can use while carrying, while going to a shopping, that all of these. Second one is which of these can be composted easily? So plastic bags cannot composted, plastic bottles cannot composted. Okay, so the answer is C, paper and cotton clothes. Third one is which of these help in proper management of waste? So these all are the important methods to manage the waste. Okay, so the answer is all of these. I hope you will understand this chapter very well. Okay.